In the following video, we will show you how to update your account information. So in order to do that, the first step would be to sign into your account. Once you have successfully signed into your account, you'll click on your name and then on My Account. In the section over here, it will display your account information. There is also a section for company name and VAT registration. So should there be a company name that needs to appear on your invoice and a VAT registration number, you will insert the information over here and then update it. There is also a section for addresses. So you can either edit the address or remove it completely. There's also a section for phone numbers or contact details, which you can do the same for, remove or edit if need be. And under your profile, there's also a reset password option. So you would have to enter your current password and then you can create a new password that you will use going forward in order to access your AllSurplus account. Thank you for watching.